duck said, "Quack, quack. I'm trying to swim, so would you mind?"
Jeez.
And I did all the way back from the coffee store. And then Peter and the bird was laughing. And then the bird flew away. The duck swam away. Because the cat and Peter ran and ran, but the cat kept running after him. And then suddenly he stopped, and then the cat stopped. The cat jumped away because Grandfather was coming, which is this one right here. And then Grandfather said, "Peter, you should have been out in the field. It's a bad place. The wolf might have come out of the forest." And then Peter said, "I'm not afraid of a wolf that came out of the forest and tried to eat me. I would stop him, and the hunters would save me." Hey, Dad, want me to play the show?
You sit in a chair.
No, Daddy, I'm going to play the show for Mommy and Daddy. One day, Peter went out to play. And then the bird came along and said, "Would you like to play hide and go and seek?" And then Peter said, "Yes, I was just going to play that and come look for you." And then the bird said, "Yes." Eddie, you keep messing up the show. Stop messing it up. Eddie keeps messing up the show.
Well, just keep going.
Yeah, but I didn't want
Give her one to hold up then, that goes in the show, like one of the bird or something.
I just want the show. Over again.
Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. Arms hurt. One more time. Woo! Okay, I can't do it anymore, Maddie.
I'm gonna do it. I always do it.
Hmm?
Yeah. What's about the show?
Help your mind.
Now watch me do this. Mama, I did it. I did it.
Good job.
Look at this one. Mommy, it fits.
This year I can help Mommy with the glass one.
Yeah.
But you would never let me last year because you were afraid I would break them. But this year